fun.
Look, we just talked about a bear, everybody, and here is one.
Jonah said we've got a mega harvest out here in the mini garden. They're going now to get some wire because they're all getting so tall, they're bigger than the tomato cages, so they're going to get some different wire to put around them. Oh, I do see one big red one. Ah. Sorry, y'all. We got two better boys right here. I'll go ahead and get this one. It could probably stay another day or two, but we'll go ahead and get it. This one's ready. A lot of Titus's Cherokee purples are turning, but I think one might be ready. That one's ready. And this one, I'll go ahead and get this one too because it's getting pretty heavy. It's about to be hitting the ground. And then we have that one right there. Come here, you want to pick a tomato? That's a ball, not a tomato. We have a black cherry ready here.
You like a red tomato, Mama?
Yeah, you can get that one down there on the bottom. Sissy, you see it down there?
This one?
Yeah. We did have a good little tomato harvest here, Jonah. I just stuck my face into a spider web. That's fine. Is there a spider on my face?
No.
Okay. The rain keeps pounding down on them every time we get those downpours. So we have two better boys, 3 Cherokee purple, and 1 black cherry. There goes Ernest T. Roosty, you happy this afternoon? They're cleaning up the outside of the Blackstone for me. And then I'm gonna re-season the top whenever they get it finished. They put a brush on the end of the drill. That's a great idea. It's time to go ahead and start supper. I'm gonna make a jumbo stuffed shells casserole, but we're not gonna boil the shells first. It's a no boil stuffed shells casserole. First, we're gonna spray this 9x13 casserole dish. Originally, I was gonna add ground beef to this, but we're also making chicken wings, so I figured we'll just have chicken wings with a little stuffed shell pasta bake instead of adding the ground beef in there. And this is gonna be really, really easy. The hardest part is stuffing the shells, and that even won't take too long. So I'm just putting some sauce in the bottom of the casserole dish. We'll spread that around and then sit this over to the side. If you want to do the ground beef part, you just cook up your ground beef, drain it, and add it to the pasta sauce. You could also use Italian sausage. I think that would be really good. In here, we're gonna put some cottage cheese. Oh yeah, I gotta make some ranch dressing too because we're gonna have salads on the side. And we have some of the Italian pasta salad left from the other night. So this is a 24-ounce tub of cottage cheese. You can use ricotta too if you don't want to use cottage cheese. We're cracking in 2 eggs. Go ahead and break those up a little bit. We're gonna put in a cup of shredded mozzarella. A little bit of garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's it for the cottage cheese mixture. Now we'll just pour it into a bag and we're going to pop it into the shells.
Stink smell. Mom, the stink smell of the monkey seriously made them run. The dress game.
You did?
Yeah, the thumb game.
Oh my goodness.
He rolled away.
That's so funny. And we just pop it right into the shells. If some of it falls out into the casserole dish, that's okay. And if they get overfilled, that's also okay. It'll be just fine. And if you drop a shell in there, everything's fine. This is gonna have sauce and cheese all over the top of it. You're not gonna be able to really see the shells too much anyway. You could also put some spinach in here. I forgot to get some on my grocery order, but I'm pretty sure the last time I made stuffed shells, I put spinach in them. Ooh, this is cold.
What is this stuff?
It's gonna be stuffed shells. Some of the shells are too curled up. You can't stuff them really good.
Shells?
They're pasta shaped like shells.
Oh. So it's basically pasta.
Yeah.
Just curled up.
Now we'll put a little more mozzarella. Like that. And we're gonna pour the rest of the sauce over the top. You can add some water here, or you can add more sauce. We're gonna add more sauce. And we might add just a little bit of water. I'll put about half a cup of water in here. The shells have to have a little bit of something in there, you know, to soak up.
Mom, so the shells are seriously pasta, seriously just and shells shaped.
Now we'll put a little more sauce. That was about half of this jar, maybe a little more than half of this other 24-ounce jar. This was a tomato basil sauce. You can use marinara, whatever you want to use. Now we just spread that out on the top. Add the rest of our mozzarella cheese. Last two things, we're going to shake just a little bit of garlic powder over the top and a little Italian seasoning. And then you want to cover it, and it's going to bake for 1 hour at 350. Then you uncover it, and it'll bake 10 more minutes. For the wings this time, we've got some chili lime, garlic powder, and salt and pepper.
And I've got a little bit of hickory chunks in there too. So there's some great things happening here. That's great. I'm not kidding you, that's really great. That too, my friends, is really good. That smoke on that right there, that's a different touch the way we did those.
Yeah.
You can definitely taste a little bit of that hickory on it. That is good.
You ready to go? Where'd you get that stick?
I found it underneath the back porch.
Oh. Keep your eyes peeled for bunny rabbits.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Sissy found a blackberry.
I got you a birthday.
Oh, thank you. He got me a birthday thing.
You did?
Yeah, blackberries.
Thank you.
That was nice. Man, her birthday. He always thinks about birthdays. He'll go 6 months out to a year out.
Sissy found the bunny first.
We see you, little bunny.
Deer's probably gonna wait for all this heat to go away this evening, and then they're gonna come out.
Maybe one with a really big red nose will come out.
Yeah.
Well, after Friday.
I'll probably fall asleep in Daddy's truck.
You are?
Yeah.
Now, why would you do that, Skeeter Bite?
I'm tired.
You are?
Okay, we're back to the top.
Look, we just talked about a bear, everybody, and here is one.
Right there.
There he is, right there. Pretty.